Good day, everyone. My name is Marian People, and I will answer this activity. Number one, how can define a simple route in Laravel and what would be a real life example? A simple route in Laravel maps a URL to a function or control that returns to response. We can use this code in number two. How do how do name roads work in Laravel and how might you use them in a real-world application? Name roads allow you to reference routes by name instead of hard coding URLs, improving flexibility and maintainability. Ito, pwede natin itong gamitin. Example, number 3. What is the purpose of routes groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Route groups let you apply attributes like middleware, prefix, or namespace to many routes at once. This one. How does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware is a filter that runs before or after a request. It can perform action like checking, authentication, logging, etc. In this one, how can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel handles form submission via post routes and controller methods.